Hi, it's Mrs. Depperschmidt. Welcome to Math Time. I'm excited because we're going to revisit division. And I'd like to start out like this and show you this framework for dividing. I've drawn my division bar here, and I'm going to put my divisor and my dividend in place. For this problem, we're going to divide 87 by 5. Now, when we write our division problem this way, it's important to remember that you don't say 5 divided by 87, because really we're dividing 5 into 87 to see how many 5s there are in 87, not how many 87s there are in 5. So for this problem, we say 87 divided by 5. I'll write the number word. And then people will know what you're talking about when you say 87 divided by 5. It's how many 5s are there in 87. I'm pretty sure that you remember with dividing, you are going to start with the highest place value digit. You start over here with the divisor and you sort of work your way into the house. So you start out with this. How many 5s are there in 80? We're going to be working with the tens place, so you need to think of in terms of tens. Let's see. In 80, I know that I can get 10 5s. And to try that out, I know that 10 5s are 50. That does not finish the deal because we're still working with 87. 10 groups of 5 make 50. Then when we subtract, we've got 37 still to work with. Now we ask ourselves the question, how many 5s are there in 37? If you've been practicing your basic multiplication facts, you know that 5 times 8 would be 40, and that's too much. So let's try 5 times 7. I'm sure you know that is 35. And when the division is all done, you can see that there are 17 groups of 5 in 87, and there would be 2 left over. Let's go on to another division problem. Let's do 62 divided by 3. How many 3s are in 62? We start with the 60, and we know that there are 20 groups of 3 in 60. I know it's 20 because I've put the 2 above the tens place, and we're not finished yet. We start with the highest place value. 62, take away 60, leaves 2. How many 3s are there in 2? None at all. When we finish the division, we have that there are 23s in 62, and 2 are left over. Here comes the next one. Let's divide 47 by 4. How many 4s are there in 47? We say, first of all, we work with the tens. We'll go with how many 4s are in 40. We know that that's 10. And we have that there are 11 4s in 47 and 3 left over. I hope you're getting the hang of long division. It's been a few weeks since we worked with it directly. but I know that it will come back really quickly. Don't forget that it's important to be fast with your multiplication facts so that division will be very comfortable. We'll be working at school with all of these. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Please do your best. Remember to be kind. I will see you at school.